Sitting next to the Quant F in Geneva is the redesigned nanoFlowcell Quantino, which sits under the company's Quant range. While the Quantino may be quite a sleek-looking electric vehicle, it's the flow cell technology that supplies power to the electric motors that's truly noteworthy. To elaborate, the nanoFlowcell is unlike a lithium-ion battery or lead-acid cell, which stores direct current. It's an electrolyte-fueled flow cell vehicle, in that it stores liquid electrolytes instead to generate electricity. The fluid is said to be non-flammable, non-toxic, produces zero emissions and inexpensive. Fueling up the car is similar to a petrol-driven vehicle, but the electrolyte liquids are stored in two separate tanks. One has a positive charge, while the other has a negative charge. A special membrane is used to divide each other from mixing. From this, an ion exchange takes place, which then sees the generation of an electric current. Receiving all that electrolyte-generated current are 4 electric motors. In total, the motors are able to produce 108 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. According to the company, it will do 0-100 km per hour in under 5 seconds and will hit a top speed of over 200 km per hour. nanoFlowcell claims that the Quantino can do over 1,000 km on one full tank, 159 liters of electrolyte liquid. Meanwhile, the Quantino also possesses a 48V low-voltage system, which translates to a number of benefits. Some of these include the very long travel range and impressive propulsion, as mentioned. Additionally, high-voltage systems in electric vehicles require protection against contact and flash shock. This, however, is unnecessary for low-voltage systems. As for the design of the Quantino, it has a flow cell hood that expresses the flow cell technology. At the front, the vehicle sports full LED headlamps, a low-slung bumper and an illuminated Quantino logo at the doors to indicate its all-electric drive. The drag-optimized body is said to generate very little wind noise too. Lending to its muscular stance are a set of 20-inch wheels. Also, the Quantino has a low center of gravity, and with the electrolyte tanks placed at the center of the vehicle, the balanced axle load distribution allows for agile handling. Moreover, as there are no hot gases emitted from the vehicle, the underbody is covered with cladding to further reduce any form of drag. Inside, the Quantino sports sensor flow technology, similar to the Quant F, capacitive switches in the center console. Furthermore, the noise-absorbing and insulating materials are also said to contribute exceptionally to a quiet drive, as the drive unit does not generate any sound. The Quantino, which is making its second debut in Geneva, is in its near-standard configuration. nanoFlowcell says that it's considering to produce the Quantino in a small batch following a feasibility study, to be carried out this year. This will provide the basis for the final decision.